And our coverage continues tonight surrounding a partial roof collapse in Mason City after this weekend's storms. Today is the first business day a dozen agencies aren't able to operate out of their usual offices, and people are at a loss of where to go. KIMT News 3's Katie Hinker reports.
At least 12 agencies have offices inside Mohawk Square. I've seen people show up to their appointments today only to turn around at the door when they see this notice.
I need to move somewhere, so I just came to find if these people can help me, but when I reached here I just found this.
Boondeep Kaur is in need of housing assistance. She was hoping to get some help from the Mason City Housing Authority today, located inside Mohawk Square. Rather than getting answers, she was met with this sign.
I was very confident that once I will reach there I'm gonna get some help, but I'm very upset now.
I worked with her to find a way to contact the office. We searched Google, Facebook, called City Hall, and left messages with city officials, and still no answers.
If there will be any kind of any number or anything so that we can reach them and contact them, at least we can get some help, because I really don't have time. I'm going to be homeless and I really need them.
Later in the day, we learned the Housing Authority is working to set up a temporary office and has a voicemail established for people like Boondeep. Meanwhile, the Cerro Gordo County Department of Public Health is also searching for a temporary location. Their goal is to be fully operational by Tuesday morning, but tonight, Kara Rugi says they are having some trouble finding a space that will work. Their first priority, though, was saving their costly vaccines.
We were able to work with the fire department. They were able to allow us to get one person up there. We were able to get the vaccines, follow the proper process in removing those vaccines, and we were able to get those over to Mercy and have them stored safely.
Despite how inconvenient this all is, Rugi says they are just happy everyone is okay, considering the roof collapsed right over their offices.
Coming into the meeting this morning, people were looking at each other, just thankful that we're okay.
So as of right now, it's unclear when this building will be deemed safe. In Mason City, Katie Hinker, KIMT News 3.
The building's owner tells KIMT an engineer will be there tomorrow doing a full inspection. We should have a better idea of when Mohawk Square will reopen after that. For now, we are compiling all the latest contact information for all of the agencies impacted on KIMT.com. You'll find it along with this story under local news.